want coffee.
What's the magic word?
Get me some coffee. Please.
Actually, the magic word was lotion, but I'll accept your please because you got a boob away.
2 sugars.
I know what to do. Okay, that's a timeout.
No, I was just trying
Go sit on the steps.
Don't give her advice.
I was just...
Don't.
Man, you make me happy. Look at me.
No.
Look at me.
No.